Welcome back to the Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to play Roblox for beginners on phone, step by step. If you're new to Roblox and not sure where to start, don't worry. Follow along and you'll be playing in no time. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, go to your phone's home screen and open the Google Play Store. This is where you'll download Roblox if you haven't already. Step 2. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type Roblox. Make sure to spell it correctly so you can find the right app. Step 3. Now, look at the search results and select the official Roblox app. It should have the Roblox logo, which is a tilted square with a hole in the middle. Step 4. Once you're on the Roblox app page, tap the Install button. The app will start downloading. This might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Step 5. When the installation is complete, tap the Play button to open the app. Step 6. Now that you have Roblox installed, open the app. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by creating a username, setting a password, and choosing your date of birth. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 7. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Roblox home screen. Here, you'll find a variety of games created by different players and developers. Step 8. Look through the games and find one that looks interesting to you. You can scroll through the recommended games or use the search bar at the top to find something specific. Step 9. When you find a game you want to try, tap on it to open its game page. Here you can see more details about the game, including the number of players and ratings. Step 10. To start playing, tap the Play button. The game will load and you'll be placed into a server with other players. And that's it. Now you're in the game and ready to explore, complete missions, or just have fun with friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.